Basic principles for operation of hook lifts. Before the vehicle can be positioned and the container picked up, it is necessary to check the work area and secure it if necessary. A marshal may be required for areas with poor visibility. Pay attention to any overhead lines or barriers that may be present. The slope of the ground must not exceed 5 degrees transversely to the vehicle and 5 degrees longitudinally. The ground must be such that the vehicle does not sink in. The container forms a unit with the vehicle during the transport journey, therefore special attention must be paid to its condition. The container bar is picked up by the hook of the hook loader. The position height as well as the distance to the container front wall, also called container pre-measurement, must comply with the container standard of the equipment. The container stop is used to secure the longitudinal movement forward. The container supports and the container locks secure the container form-fit transversely to the direction of travel and against lifting. For this purpose, it is necessary that the gauge as well as the tunnel clearance also fit to the unit and correspond to the unit standard. Attention to the container condition. Deformed containers may not be locked or may cause the container to slip during the journey. The load must be distributed and secured in a balanced manner. Only containers whose rear overhang is compatible with the vehicle body may be loaded. To pick up the container, position the vehicle in a straight line to the container. Tilted loading of the container is not permissible and will result in damage to the unit. Vehicles with air suspension must be lowered completely during equipment operation. For reasons of stability, the suspension must not be regulated during operation of the unit. For vehicles with existing axle stabilizers, these must be stabilized. Special care must be taken when maneuvering with the vehicle while the container with the discharge rollers is on the ground. In addition to the risk of accidents due to poor visibility, there is also the risk of structural overstressing of components such as the tipping cylinder, hook arm, subframe, due to collisions between containers and curbs, for example.